Before performing maintenance on a classifying tank, be sure to read and follow the installation, operation, and maintenance manual. Follow the appropriate lockout, tagout, blockout procedures, and read and follow all safety tags. Failure to do so could result in injury or death. To replace the mercury switch on a classifying tank, first loosen the screw on the cover and remove the cover. Remove the mercury switch from the bracket and unfasten the wires. Unscrew the two wires connecting the mercury switch to the terminal block. Secure the wires from the new mercury switch to the terminal block. Place the mercury switch in the bracket and fasten the wires. Replace the cover and screw it back on. For more information, please contact Eagle Iron Works.